AI.
No, the other AI.
Artificial intelligence.
AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
It's getting a lot of attention, but what is it? What does it do? And why should you care?
Well, dear viewers, I will be answering none of those questions.
Instead, I'm here to teach you how to talk to the AI, and then you can ask it yourself. Hi, my name is Eddie, and I am here to welcome you to a new type of relationship in your life between AI and you. First things first, please pick an AI to use. For the most part, I'll be talking about LLMs, but the same concepts apply across many types of AI software. There are already a few different options. For now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick. Think of me as a relationship counselor. Your focus should be less on me and more on each other. I'm just here until you two are ready to talk on your own. Now that you've got your AI chat window ready to use, it's time to start your first conversation. You can start with a simple hello. Hit send and the relationship begins. But a better way to connect with your new robot friend is to give it a better prompt. Remember, a better prompt makes a better conversation. So, how do you make a good prompt? Well, you make it nice and thick. I mean, really thick. Like, thick. Before you type anything, think. What do you want from the AI? And how do you want the AI to treat you? Next, say hello. Greet the AI and maybe tell it who you are. Then comes the cool part. You might want to write this one down. You get to tell the robot who you want it to be. And then it can change into someone else whenever you ask. To start over with a blank robot, just start a new conversation. I is for iterate, which means do it again. Be ready to tell the AI to try again, and tell it what you liked and what you didn't like about what it already made. Your first draft is never the final draft when you write, so give the AI a few chances too. You could say hello and nothing more, but you will need to send another prompt unless you add some context. C is for context. There is no limit to how much context you can give. Tell it about your problems, your goals, the dream you had last night, or what you had for breakfast. The more you share, the more information the AI has to become whoever you want it to be. Prompts can be long, so go ahead and send it a thick block of text. The final C stands for clear. Be clear with what you want from the AI, and always end your prompt with an action, something the AI can actually do for you. That action could be to create something for you, or it could be to ask you questions to have a longer conversation. All that makes a nice, thick prompt. Remember, you can and should iterate, so don't settle for the first draft. Tell the AI your thoughts about it. All your thoughts if you want. Another giant block of text is exactly what the AI wants from you. Think of AI like a musical instrument. Anybody can make noise, but a master makes music. Let's try it out. If you haven't already started a conversation, let's start one now. First, think. This is just an example, so let's say for this one that we want to find a job. We don't want too much technical stuff right now, so we want the AI to respond with simple words, and then we'll make it all sound professional later on. Next, say hello, and here's where we start typing. Hello, I want to find a job, and I want you to use simple words. A great start. You can actually send that message as is, and your conversation will start no problem. But since we don't want to spend a bunch of time iterating, let's add some context. Go ahead and tell the AI a little bit about yourself. You're looking for a job here, so what do you like to do? What do you hate to do? What are you really good at? How do you want to spend your day? What kind of music do you like? Really, there's no wrong options here. Finally, be clear about what you want. We want a conversation to help us find a job. So we'll end our opening message like this. Ask me some questions so we can decide on what type of job I want, and then you can help me with the steps to get that job. Here is a full example message. With a thick prompt like that, your conversation is already off to a great start. But you can come back to that one later. For now, let's start a new conversation with another example. This time, we need to plan a trip. Yo, bro, I'm going on vacation. Finally, I get a break from standing up for hours every day. I am so ready to chill by the pool in the sunshine and relax. I don't have a huge budget, so let's make a plan that won't break the bank. Let's talk about options. Ask me some questions until you can give me a list of places to go and why you suggest them. If you try that one, you'll see that even though I didn't tell the AI how I wanted it to respond, it often matches your tone. If we want the response to be more professional, we can just send another message saying, do that again, but this time act like a professional travel expert. It's all part of the iteration process. Tell the AI to adapt and then to try again. Like any relationship, you both have a role to play. You bring the imagination, and the AI brings the practicality. But like any good relationship, your roles will eventually start to blur together. You will start to become more practical with how you talk to the AI, and you might be surprised to see how imaginative the AI can be. Feel free to continue the AI conversations that you already started and try out some new ones. If you want some suggestions of how to use it, ask your friends and family, or even ask the AI itself. Remember that a good conversation is never one sided. Give your new robot friend some nice thick prompts and see what it can do. Thank you for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with anyone who says they just don't get it when it comes to AI.
Click the link in the description for the full online course.
Post any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.